fine with it. And so I just thought, okay, now this is a camera setup goal instead of a stream PC goal, which is also much nicer. The camera will improve the picture quality a lot. Alexa, that's not me speaking. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So all the black pasta go in here. And now I just divide it. So this goes into the paper trash and this into the plastic trash. Oh, but it's soon time for presentation because, wait, but first dividing trash. Here my blue paper bucket. And now a salad, of course, salad. Yes, we're getting a new cam, exactly. And horseradish, by the way, please store it in a paper bag. If you store it in plastic, then it will be too moist. There. And then I have this paper trash bags. Alexa, stop! Is it just colored pasta? It's just colored, yes. It doesn't have anything special like truffle or anything, no. I still have this pasta. No. Oh yeah, it's real good. What do I do with this pasta? We'll just put it in here. I just put out all of the stoves. So, don't burn yourself. Talking to me and talking to you. Oh, and I totally forgot. I have to add the gorgonzola, of course. Oh, come on. See? So I have the leftover gorgonzola. I put it here onto the pasta. It's already the gratin. That's the gratin from yesterday. And then it will melt with the pasta here. And I can just like mix it up. Yes, don't burn the bird. Instead of a birdie, a burndie. First I read burn and die. But then I thought, oh, I don't think that Heizung would mean it like this. And then I read it again and I tried to just find the right word. And then just like, okay, burndie. Yes, just like indie. One of my texts is Korea, yes, because today I wanted to talk about the Korean drama I'm currently watching, you know. I was sick, I couldn't do much, but I could watch